Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we have our first look at the new Hot Wheels G-Case featuring the latest Porsche 918 Spyder and more. One of the winners of my E-Case giveaway sent me this awesome photo of him and the cars he won, and today's giveaway prize is 3 new models from the Hot Wheels F-Case, and the winner is... Congratulations, and thank you all for entering. I've contacted the winner, and there will be more giveaways here on the channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned. It looks like the new 2018 G-Case will be home to many of the new cars that we're excited for. At the top of this first photo here, we have the brand new factory fresh Porsche 918 Spyder. Right below the 918, we have the G-Ready Nissan Fairlady Z. Under the Fairlady, we have the brand new color of the Nissan Skyline R30. And at the bottom, we have the shiny green 2017 Camaro ZL1. If you take a peek into the box, you'll see 2 front ends of the blue BMW M2. Our next photo is looking down into a box and features a brand new Lamborghini right on top. This is the new white and red color of the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo. Now this third photo provides us the best look at what to expect from the new G-Case. In the top left corner, you'll notice the brand new Checkmate 2007 Ford Mustang. Below that, the blue 2016 BMW M2 and the purple Nissan Skyline GTR R33. But the car that really caught my eye here is off on the right-hand side, and it's a brand new white color of the McLaren P1. Moving down the photo here on the left-hand side, we have the Porsche 918 Spyder once again. Next to the Spyder, we have a new red 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. Below the Challenger, we have the new white G-Ready Nissan Fairlady Z. Off on the right, we have the brand new black color of the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. And at the bottom, we have the latest Hot Wheels Flames Classic 55 Nomad. So that is our first look at the brand new 2018 Hot Wheels G-Case. As you can see, there are many more cars in this case, but we'll talk about all of them together once we get some better photos. You guys can also expect an unboxing of this case here on the channel, as well as another Hot Wheels car giveaway. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.